Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that PowerShell users might encounter. The question is, does PowerShell save a persistent history of all commands output when PSReadLine isn't installed? And if so, where is this history stored? It's essential to know how PowerShell handles command history to ensure you can access your past commands when needed. Now, let's delve into the solution. The short answer is no, not natively. According to PowerShell's about_history documentation, PowerShell has two different history providers: the built-in history and the history managed by the PSReadLine module. In the absence of PSReadLine, PowerShell only tracks commands within the current session, which means the history is not available to other sessions and is deleted when the session ends. In summary, PowerShell does not maintain a persistent history of all commands output without the PSReadLine module. It's crucial to keep this in mind when working in PowerShell to ensure you can access your command history efficiently. I hope this information was helpful for you. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any PowerShell tips you'd like to share. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.